I'm Eddie Humphreys, Machine Tool Technology Program Manager. We have 2 certificates, Basic Machining and CNC Fundamentals. In Basic Machining and CNC Fundamentals, it takes 3 semesters, a fall, spring, and summer to complete. We have another certificate, Advanced CNC Programming. That certificate takes 2 semesters, and you must complete your Basic Machining and CNC Fundamental certificate to take the Advanced CNC Programming. In those 2 certificates, students are learning to design and model parts that are resembling aerospace parts that are used in aerospace. For instance, this is a piece of an ISO grid that would be used on a rocket. And when students learn skills like this and how to make parts that are actually used, that makes them more employable within our state, outside of our state. And we do have aerospace companies inside this state. We have internships available here at the college with Machine Tool Technology. The internship hours range from 20 to 40 hours. It could be weekend shift where you're working Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It could be working through the week while you're not in school, and when we don't have classes on Fridays, working all day on Fridays. They could be working you at night. That is a possibility. Most internships do not start until January, so we want to kind of get through the first semester with the students, and the company will come in usually around in November and talk with the student. Yadira started in the machine tool program in the fall of 2017. She has maintained a 4.0 GPA through the duration of the program. She was hired by Mancor of Lugoff as a Work First employee. After her 12 months were up, Mancor decided to keep her working with them, and SC Works funded it.
My name is Yadira Vieira, and I'm doing an associate's degree in applied science and also getting a certificate in advanced CNC machining. When I first started my basic machining CNC certificate, I was working at Mancor through the workforce program. If I had to make this part, my supervisor would give me the drawing and I would decide if the part needs to be made on manual or CNC machine. If it is manual, I will use the tools and make all the movement with the machine to create the final product. If it is CNC, I may create a model in CAM or CAM software and then create the program necessary to complete the part. Set up the CNC machine and operate it to complete the task. I work in Mancor Lugo for a year and a half while I was doing my workforce program. I got a job at BD Center and I'm doing machinist level 1.